Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrency market capitalization hits $1 trillion mark, adds over 6%. Market attention switches to the November 2nd FOMC meet and PCE price index outcome. Bitcoin skyrockets to $21,000. MakerDAO approves proposal to place $1.6 million USDC in Coinbase's custody. Reddit NFT trading volume hits new all-time high, wallets surpass OpenSea. UK's new Prime Minister Rishi Sunak launches CBDC support. Unprecedented volatility sees staking platform Freeway halt withdrawals. 3Comma's API exploit costs FTX users crypto worth millions of dollars. Ripple's engineering director resigns after more than a decade at the firm. Meta and Microsoft cannot self-regulate their metaverses, UK regulator warns. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrency markets were trading higher on Thursday thanks to a weaker US dollar, declining bond yields, and a rise in investor confidence on interest rate trajectory going forward, the analysts said. The crypto market got a boost after the lower house of UK Parliament voted in favour of considering crypto as regulated financial instruments. As a result of the 10-year US Treasury bill falling from above 4.2 percentage points earlier this week to just above 4 percentage points, stocks and cryptocurrencies have increased as investors became optimistic that perhaps the majority of the Fed's rate hikes will soon come to a stop. The total crypto market cap shot up to over $1 trillion, up 6%. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was up by 6.9% at 30,650 points. The focus now shifts to the outcome of personal consumption expenditures price index on October 28 and Federal Open Market Committee rate hike decision meeting scheduled on November 2. As such, any signal that the Fed is preparing to soften its hawkish stance is being seized on by markets weary from a year of quantitative tightening. November's FOMC meeting is still overwhelming, expected to result in 0.75% rate hike, matching September and July, according to CME Group's FedWatch tool. It's safe to say that the past several days were quite calm and stagnant for the primary cryptocurrency. BTC jumped to $20,000 for the first time in about 20 days, leaving over $100 billion in liquidations. Ethereum has been among the poorest performers ever since the long-anticipated merge took place, skyrocketed to a multi-week high of $1,550 following a 15% daily surge. Similar double-digit increases are also evident from Cardano, Solana, DogeCoin and Polkadot from the larger cap alts. On Monday, Cathie Wood's ARK Fintech Innovation Fund added 10,880 shares of Coinbase to its holdings, bringing its stake in the stock up to $60.5 billion, or roughly 8% of the fund's weight. It was ARK's first buy of coin since the asset manager unloaded shares in July, citing an SEC probe into the company. Members of the MakerDAO community overwhelmingly supported the proposal to place $1.6 million USDC in Coinbase's custody. MakerDAO will receive a 1.5% reward for depositing USDC in Coinbase's institutional custody service. The pilot is a test and the funds will be held by Coinbase until the end of the year. The Coinbase proposal has been hailed by most community members as an important next step to getting the Maker protocol back to profitability. MakerDAO will not pay custody fees for the services according to the proposal. Coinbase also announced that the collaboration for the first time extends its USDC rewards program to an institutional client. Reddit released the second generation of its NFTs on October 21st and sold out 40 collectibles in 24 hours. Independent developers created the Reddit avatars, which were minted on the Polygon and Ethereum blockchains. Furthermore, the trading volume of Reddit NFTs surpassed $2.5 billion in the last 24 hours, accounting for more than 62% of the total trading volume of $4.1 million since the platform's launch in July. Former UK Finance Minister and crypto enthusiast Rishi Sunak was appointed as the UK's newest Prime Minister by Conservative Party members on October 24th, following the controversial resignation of Liz Truss after only 45 days in office. Sunak announced his plans to bring money and finance into the 21st century in a video released on 24th of October, beginning with the release of a set of policy principles that will help support and inform the exploration of central bank digital currencies in the Group 7 and beyond. Critics have expressed their worry that Sunak's pro-crypto rhetoric may likely turn the UK's dire economy into that of El Salvador, while some believe that Sunak aims to ensure that the UK's financial sector benefits from the rapidly growing crypto industry and to attract investments from the industry. Freeway, a cryptocurrency staking platform that promises annual returns of up to 43%, halted withdrawals on Sunday, October 23rd, citing unprecedented volatility in the forex and crypto markets. Freeway suspended all services on October 24th. The company is working to diversify its asset base to manage exposure to future market fluctuations and volatility, according to the announcement. Following the suspension of withdrawal operations, the value of Freeway's native token FWT plummeted by more than 75%, falling to 96% of its peak price in May 2021. The barrage of attacks on the crypto industry continues as events on October 22nd saw at least 4 FTX users fall victim to hackers who siphoned millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency from the exchange using an API linked to their trading accounts. A joint investigation by trading bot platform 3 and crypto exchange FTX revealed that hackers used new fraudulent 3 accounts to phish users out of the API keys associated with their FTX accounts. The FTX API keys were then used to conduct an unauthorized DMG token trade. 3 believes that users' API keys were stolen through third-party browser extensions or malware and confirms that the attack did not originate with its services. Nick Bagley's Ripple Labs Director of Engineering announced on October 21st that his decade-long tenure at the company will come to an end with the introduction of NFTs to the network. In a Twitter thread, the cryptographer and software engineer who previously worked at Samsung assured users that his departure would have no impact on the open source code projects of the payments-focused XRP ledger in which he was instrumental. Bagley's XLS20 amendment project, which will introduce non-fungible tokens to XRPL, is set to go live in early November. The boss of the UK media regulator Ofcom warned Metaverse forays from tech giants like Meta and Microsoft will be subjected to incoming rules, forcing platforms to protect users from online harms. Speaking at a policy consulting group Global Council event in London on Tuesday, Ofcom Chief Executive Melanie said self-regulation of the Metaverse, a hypothetical digital world promoted by Meta and others, would violate UK online safety laws. If you have got young people in an environment where there's user-generated content according to the scope of the bill, then that will already be caught by the Online Safety Bill. The Online Safety Bill is a set of laws aimed at preventing harmful content from being widely distributed on the internet. Violations of the law, if passed, could result in fines of up to 10% of annual global revenues. The bill is especially concerned with child protection. Well, that's all in today's bulletin. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, do like, subscribe and share to 3.0 TV.